Yeah, this is big
Small
business. Oh. Alright, big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Thank you very much.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Hey!
Right here in Baltimore, we're working with 70 companies. Our reach has gone beyond the Baltimore metropolitan area, and we're really, really proud of that.
Speaking of resources, sashay your way on over to our exhibitor area. Will all our exhibitors please make some noise? Yay!
Big small business and
Thank
we
you
booming.
so much for being here.
Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Thank you very much.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Boom!
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Big small business.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Are you ready for the Minority Made to Wear Forward Progress Runway show? Let's think of that like a tailgate party. Can we have that? Can I have some tailgate party music?
Hey! Scott, let's get off the stage and let's make some noise for the Minority Made to Wear Forward Progress Runway show. Hats off to our first entrepreneur who is a student at Morgan State University and this year's Miss Case, the Collegiate Association of Startup Entrepreneurs, Case Club. Angel launched a decor and balloon. Let's give it up for our next group of youth entrepreneurs from Citywide Youth Development, made in Be More Clothing.
Juxtopia, optical see-through augmented reality eyewear device that is manufactured to deliver culturally competent, ethically and empathetic AI embodied.
Justin Lee created these ear acoustic headphones to a very common problem of hearing loss.
This is Symphorex. Symphorex is featuring its award-winning concealable ballistic apparel in polo style and long sleeve thermal. These garments not only increase safety, but offer a comfortable physical fit for the men and women who wear body armor every day.
Renata Philippe at Black Squirrel Company is up next.
Yes, Black Squirrel, upcycled clothing from Renata Philippe at Black Squirrel Company. We're gonna move on. The next product coming to the runway, yep, will really help you out. Everyone here. Now making her way down the runway is Dr. Liz Claiborne, the visionary ER doctor behind NasoClip, a groundbreaking solution that is revolutionizing how we treat nosebleeds. Goodbye to the toxic chemicals and uncomfortable fit. Dimly keeps you fresh, comfortable, and confident while giving Mother Earth a break. Periods made smarter so you can focus on being unstoppable.
Oh, so genteel. Ladies, did he not do that? Emily, hire him. Yeah. Oh, is that the lotion that you need? Oyen Handmade has been on Essence, Ebony, The Griot, Fast Company, and Vogue as an artisanal manufacturer of moisture-rich personal care products. DJ 5-Star, you have a beautiful company that we would love for you to chat about.
Our nonprofit is the Be More STEM Foundation. It's an acronym for bringing everyone more opportunities and relevant experiences in science, technology, engineering, and math.
Monet Engineered Materials, LLC. Aaliyah Clinton is a chemist with an interdiscipline in material science engineering and an entrepreneur who uses her passion to educate and inspire Baltimore communities. As the CEO of Monet's Engineered Materials, an advanced textile company that produces personal protective equipment or PPE for a variety of STEM fields. Her products focus on the 3 E: efficient protection, elevated comfort, elevated fashion. You can stop now.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Boom!
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Big small business.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
All right, we're we going now?
Now we have
Oh my goodness.
yes.
Right over here on the right-hand
Important.
side.
Yes, indeed.
Dreads and Heads. Dreads and Heads is actually located in Woodlawn, Maryland. My good friend over there. This meeting of natural hair care needs. Let me give a shout out, as I said, to Dreads and Heads. They provide products for afros, for locks, for twists, for braids, even for folks like me with no hair.
Yes, indeed. The scalp.
The scalp.
Yes,
The scalp. We got the
scalp.
scalp. So I want to thank Dreads and Heads. FabPro Technologies has emerged as a trailblazer in the precision manufacturing industry, particularly in the fields of precision sheet metal and CNC milling.
Yeah, this is big
Small.
business. Oh. Alright, big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Thank you very much.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Hey.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
Big small business.
Big small business and we booming. Yeah, big small business and we booming.
I can't say enough about DJ 5-Star. You enjoy the music? I also want to thank Tamika Harris Live, and she's
small
right.
business
She
and
got
we
about
booming.
72 hours
Yeah,
notice.
big
She
small
said,
business and we
can you
booming.
do it?
Thank you
She
very
said
much.
yes.
Big small
Please
business
give a
and we
big
booming.
round of applause for
Yeah,
Tamika
big small
Harris.
business and we booming.
Once again, to all of our sponsors and our special partners, TEDCO, Maryland Department of Commerce, the Regional Manufacturing Institute, Strategic Factory, MMG, to the City of Baltimore, to MBEs, to MiHUB Cooperative, which I didn't talk a lot about.
Thank you
The
very much.
Manufacturing Innovation Hub is a part of what we do with the MBDA Advanced Manufacturing Center. And I talk about this idea of bringing people together.
Thank
The
you.
cooperative brings manufacturers together so that they can work together and build each other's businesses. So to the Manufacturing Innovation Hub, we appreciate you. I think I got everybody. If I missed you, I apologize. To the staff, to my staff, which is wonderful. We got this done, and I want to thank you all very much.
Thank you very much.
I want to close with this. I'm a big believer that for whom much is given, much is required. And for all of us this evening,
Thank
you've
you
been
very
given an
much.
evening, little entertainment, maybe a little bit of food. And so I'm going to make one
Thank you
request of
very
you.
much.
I want you to leave here tonight, and I want you to talk about all of the wonderful
very
things you
much.
heard about and you saw. I want you to share it in the community. I want you to reach out to people who may be able to invest, students, pour into our young designers, to pour into our clients. So when you leave here with the idea that you're going to provide some support, you're going to talk this up so that we can build the companies in our community. And with that, I want to say thank you all for coming.
Nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll